Good morning, my beautiful people. Hello. It is almost time to take the kids to school. I'm tired and I'm exhausted. My head looks kind of crazy, but I'm gonna be in the car anyways. So today is all the kids go to school. DZ don't have preschool today, so it's just gonna be us. Warm up my coffee again. So yeah, I'm just waiting right now because I'm defrosting the car. That's what I'm doing right now. I woke up late. I got some dental work done. Not just a filling, whatever. Sorry. I'm gonna put like a new cap on to protect my tooth. But I'm like, ooh, that medicine they gave me. My mouth is a little bit still sore from yesterday, but overall it went well. Awesome, amazing dentist. I want to give them a review. So yeah, so I'm just tired right now because my mouth still kind of hurts while I'm talking to you guys. But I was going to show you guys that this is a life. It's a little bit like once my life is taking mom. Right now I gotta clean this up. See that? What I want to do later. Cause I also want to go to the grocery store real fast for more snow comes today in the afternoon, I believe, and I'm picking up the kids. I'm like, darn, I gotta drive in snow. Alright, whatever. And I don't have to go to the store afterwards, so I gotta pick a few more items that I need to get just because I ran out of bread pretty fast. So I might get 2 loaves. So I don't have to go back out for bread anytime soon. I'm gonna put a hat on my head. That's what I'm gonna do. So I don't have to worry about looking crazy. I'll put a hat on my head before I leave. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like outside. I'm defrosting my car. I don't feel like going back outside because it's cold outside. I'm trying to figure out. I don't know. I might have to get a garage, or like what do you call those things? That's like a parking spot, but with like a little covering parking spot for my car. Hold on. I gotta sneeze. Excuse me. Because no, like this. There we go. Because yeah, defrosting your car and all that fun stuff, it's not fun all the time if you've done it before. So yeah, let me go ahead and show you guys. Alright guys, this is the life when you're living in the snow, when it's cold. See, I'm trying to defrost my car. Let me go ahead and start doing that right now. Okay. Hold on, guys. Alright, guys. I'm gonna see if I can scrape this bad boy. You don't know? You live in snow, you have to do this type of stuff when you don't have a garage or covering. Alright. Yeah. Hey guys, you can see in this grocery haul I'm going through with the grocery store with you guys right now is that there's quite a few empty shelves. So hopefully this grocery store restocks back up, or basically we actually need to stock up. So yeah, you see a couple holes in this video as well, not just in the juice aisle, but also in the frozen section. So come on along with me and keep on watching. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet.
For sure.
Hey guys, this is what I bought from Trader Joe's. Let me go with this one first and I'll show you Safeway. So over here I bought some organic white bread, some corn puffs, white cheddar corn puffs, some tortilla chips, this Mandarin style hummus snack pack for Zariah with the pita chips. She really likes them, so she asked for some more. So I got 2 more. This orange strawberry banana juice right here, some organic milk, some heavy whipped cream. They didn't have my butternut squash like the other pack that I showed in my last haul, so I got these ones instead and fry some more squash up. It was really good. I got some salsa, green and red salsa, some crumbled blue cheese for my salad, two of the yogurts, olive oil, got some cheese and some mozzarella cheese. Got 2 of those for the lasagna I'm hoping to make. I got a cucumber, some beef pastrami, corn dogs, and turkey, some more mozzarella sticks. Got me some chicken wings, hot and spicy. These are really good. When you put them in the air fryer, they come out really good and crispy. And some ricotta cheese. And this is what I got from Trader Joe's. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get into the Safeway haul. It's going to be really simple because they didn't have a lot of stuff that I needed. So this is what I got. Some strawberry milk. I got 3 of these hot and spicy. This kimchi. Got 3 of those. And I got 4 different kinds of pasta. So elbow, farfalle, the mini ones. I didn't realize I got the mini ones. Okay, let's find them. And I got these ones as well. I got 2 of these cream of mushrooms, 2 of those. Some coffee. Got this big box of chips for the kids for lunch. And I actually got 4 of these waters. And that is it.